Hi, welcome to my video on prime and composite numbers. We're going to do the prime and composite numbers of the natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 going on. A prime number has only two different factors, 1 and itself. 1 is not prime. 1 has only one factor of 1. A composite number has more than two different factors. Classify each number as prime or composite. 2 is 1 times 2, so it's prime. Only two factors, itself and 1. 3, 1 times 3, prime. Only two factors, 1 and itself. 4 is 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. Notice I always start off with 1 because 1 and the number is always factors. And we have 3 factors, so it's composite. 5 is 1 times 5. Only 2 factors, 1 in itself, prime. 6, 1 times 6, and 6 is even, so it's 2 times 3. There are 4 factors, so it's composite. 7 is 1 times 7. 7 is prime because it's only 2 factors, itself and 1. 8 is 1 times 8, and we have a 2 times 4. 2 because 8 is even, ends in an 8, so it's composite. Practice. Go through what I have here, and when you finish, replay your video. Here we go. 9 is 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. So it's composite. 10 is 1 times 10. Because it ends in a 0, we got a 5. Because it ends in a 0 is even, so it's 2 times 5. It's composite. 11 is 1 times 11. So it's prime. Only 2 factors, itself and 1. 12 is 1 times 12. Even, 2 times 6. We could go on. Adds up to be 3. So it's a multiple of 3. So it's 3 times 4. And so we know that it's composite. But I only need to show that it has 3 factors. But really, it has 6. 13 is 1 times 13. Only 2 factors, itself and 1. So it's prime. 14. 1 times 14 and 2 times 7. Notice if a number is even, obviously it's not, I say obvious, gotta be careful. If a number is even, it's not prime, it's composite. 15 is 1 times 15. Because it ends in a 5, then it's a 5 times 3, because any number ending in 5 has a factor of 5. So it's composite. 16 is 1 times 16. Again, is even, so it's 2 times 8. So it's going to be composite. And also, we notice that 8 has a factor of 4. So 16 has a factor of 4. So 4 into 16 goes 4. 17 times 1, only itself and 1, so it's prime. 18, 1 times 18 is even, so it's 2 times 9. Adds up to 9, so it's a multiple of 9, so it's a factor of 9. Adds up to 9, it has a 3, because 9 is a multiple of 3, so 3 times 6. And it's composite. 19 is 1 times 19, and I can't find any more, so it's prime. Just some of the primes. You should do the prime, especially the prime numbers. Prime numbers helps you in the factoring. Sometimes when you can't find a factor of a number, then we look at the primes. So we go to, name the primes. The prime numbers, we go 2, 3, 5, 6, not 7 is 8, not 9, 10, 11 is prime, 12, no, 13, yes, 14, no, 15, 16, 17 is prime, 18, 19 is prime, 20, no, 21, no, 22, no, 23, yes, and we keep on going. I'll just writing them down, keep track. What even number is prime? We go with a 2. Again, practice, fill out the answers, and start your video and come back and see if you're right. Find the product of the second prime. The second prime is 3. Product means multiply. And the fifth prime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 11. So the product is multiply 33. The sum of the first prime numbers, the first prime number after 10. The first prime number after 10 is 11. And sum means add. And the fifth composite number after 16. The first composite number after 16. So composite, even 17 is prime. Composite is 18. So we have to have an 18. So that gives us a 20. First prime number that gives me a 29, right? Product means multiply, so the third composite number after 11. So 11 is 12 is composite, 13 is prime, 14 is composite, 15 is composite. So the third composite number is 15, divided by the third prime number. The third prime number is 5. So 15 divided by 5 gives me 3. Find the sum of all the prime numbers between 11 and 20. All the prime numbers between 11 and 20 are 13, 17, 19. All the prime numbers between 11 and 20. Add these up, I get a 30 right here. And add on 19, I have a 49. Thank you for watching the video on prime and composite numbers. And if you like it, click on the like buttons, the subscribe, the notification bell, and if you wish, write a comment on my video. Also, if you're new, visit my website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. You'll see information about me, my degrees and teaching experience. You'll see information on the teaching strategies that I'm going to use in the videos. And you also see the content that's on my YouTube channel. That is the topics, the number of videos on each topic. And in black font will be the topics completed on the channel. And in red font, the topics to be completed in the future. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed my video. Bye-bye.